Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. So, today, again, we're going to do the second part of our survival series. So, what we're going to do is, I mentioned in in the first part about a firebox stove. And again, listen, we bought these ourselves. We liked it so much we bought two. So these were not given to us. We're not sponsored by anybody. But if you look below in the description box right there below, you will see the website for the Firebox. So if you want to get you one, you can. Very low price. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this. We're going to show you how to cook with the Firebox today. And we're going to use some charcoal and some apple wood chips. And it also comes with a Transgia, which is similar to something you would cook with a gas stove. Okay? So it's so simple and and this is sold separately. This does not come with your Firebox. So you get it separately. But this is so simple. You use your charcoal. If you want some wood chips for flavor, they come in different flavors. You can do that. And I'm going to show you, my husband is going to show you, not me. My husband's going to show you how to cook with your Firebox stove. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are ready to start cooking on our Firebox. Here is this nice tool that's good for any occasion, emergency or non-emergency. If you just want to cook on it like we're doing, we've been having so much fun with it. Look at that, striking the fire. So now we're going to let the coals get nice and hot so we can begin to grill our brats on here. And again, I'm going to put the website to the Firebox in the description below. And on that website, you can watch the video on how to set it up and everything. It's really nice. And I think you're really going to love it if you decide to purchase you one. So we're going to let this fire and the coals get started and get really hot and everything, and then we'll put the brats on there. But I wanted to show you what we're looking like so far, and that's it. So I'll be back. Okay, you see how simple it is with him using the fire sticks to place the grill on top, because that's the grill that you're going to use to put your our brats on, or if you have a steak or whatever it is, some chicken on there. Yes, we love this thing. We are having some fun. It's not in the kitchen right now. We having fun in the backyard with April. Okay, so what my husband's about to do, because you can also use this to cook, and boil water and all of that. So he's going to saute some onions with a little brown sugar to put on top of our brats. So as you can see, he's pouring a little olive oil in there. And yeah, he'll saute those onions. Okay, he's sauteing the onions on our Firebox stove. Like I said, you can boil water, do all those things. You could cook a full meal on this Firebox. When you're outdoors, having fun at the park or whatever. Or you just want to do like us and show off our Firebox stove, you could do that too. And that's all. Just going to saute that up.
A little brown sugar.
With a little brown sugar added in there. Now, I'll also put what we did with our brats and the onions in the description box below as well, so that you can have that just in case you forget what we're doing here. But we're having fun out here. Fun in the backyard tonight. with our Firebox stove. And again, I'm going to put that website on there for the Firebox stove. Okay, so Troy's just going to go ahead and give the brats a little rub down with a little bit of olive oil before putting them on our grill. And that's all he's doing. I hope you all are enjoying this. Again, comment below. And also, let us know what you would like for us to cook on this Firebox grill. I mean, we are so excited about this thing. We can't wait to cook many different things on here. So, comment below and let us know, what do you want to see us cook on this Firebox? Uh-oh. There we go. And we're just going to let that cook. And you see, you get a good amount of brats on there. It's 4 brats on there. So that it cooks a pretty good amount of meat on there. So that's really good. And we're going to let that cook. I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, so we're about to take them off. And as you can see, they cooked very nicely. And so now we're going to take them off and get ready to plate them up. And I'll show you what we have once we plate them up. But that is our brats cooked on our Firebox stove.
You like yours dark, don't you?
Okay, and this is my plate. This is the brats. We did baked beans and fries. And this was all cooked on our Firebox grill. Firebox stove. So until next time, remember to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.